I'm Kathleen Daly.
I'm John Daly.
We're in the Beverly neighborhood of Chicago.
The house turned 100 years old this year. The brickwork had started to deteriorate on the stairs going up. Two of the stairs had collapsed. There was a large crack in the landing up by the front door. So for the last 4 years or so, we've doctored it up a little bit.
We kind of camouflage it at Christmas time, in the summertime, at Halloween time. We put flowers and decorations and things so the poor mailman didn't injure himself giving our mail every day.
It was on our radar, but as the funds presented themselves, that's when we did it. The process was with the brick. I demolished the pier, the brick pier, and I took all the brick, and over the course of 3 nights with a grinder, I cleaned off all the mortar off the original brick so that the brick could be reused. I had a tuck pointer come in along with the bricklayer, so the combination of the tuck pointer who had the eye for the original color of the mortar and the bricklayer, they were able to rebuild it. They used the original sills. The original coal room is down below the porch. Once the porch was demolished, there's nothing between the basement and the porch itself. So I built a canopy underneath it so that it would support everything as it was demolished. And then that canopy also served as a structural framing, so when the concrete was poured, there was something that caught it.
It really has added so much more to the house. I mean, I didn't realize how decrepit our stairs were until I looked at the picture that I'd sent in before and after, and I thought, of course, we had flowers on the side that really looked nice, but it was camouflaging the little hole that was on the porch. So it just looks so much nicer, and so many people have commented on it, how nice our front porch is.
It just adds beauty to the house. Plus, the mailman appreciates the fact he doesn't have to climb over obstacles now.